Hi guys, Dr. Axe here, and I want to talk about anti-inflammatory compounds in foods, natural ones, and exactly how they work. You know, we're all told, hey, you should take turmeric, ginger, they're amazing, but I want to show you exactly how it works and why they're so powerful and why they actually work better than things like aspirin, your NSAIDs. So let's look at the pathway here and how we can start to reduce inflammation in our bodies naturally. So things like grain-fed meats, eggs that aren't pasture raised, different kinds of meats and dairy that are conventional really cause inflammation in the body. Ones that are grass-fed are going to do the complete opposite, okay? So a lot of this inflammation comes from the things that we're eating, but there's some life is not always easy, and we go out to eat, we travel, so sometimes these things are unavoidable. So let's talk about what we can do to mitigate the damage. So these kind of foods that we're talking about turn into something called arachidonic acid, and that is right down the pro-inflammatory pathway here. Now, when you take NSAIDs, things like aspirin, what you do is you block this pathway called COX-1 and 2. You literally just stop it, and that can stop inflammation. Now, however, inflammation is a good thing. That's how our bodies heal. So it's about having the right amount of inflammation, not too little, not too much. And that's why things like ginger and turmeric work so well, because those actually modulate the pathway. So if you need more inflammation, they'll let it through. If you need less inflammation, they will inhibit and slow that pathway down. And that's exactly why things like turmeric and ginger are so powerful. And if you're having inflammatory issues, it's a must-have to your supplement regimen, your food regimen, things that you need to add in there. Again, because it helps modulate. It doesn't inhibit like NSAIDs do. That's something you can start to do naturally if you're not eating perfectly to start to reduce inflammation in the body. And inflammation is the cause of all disease. So if we can reduce inflammation or being over-inflamed, our joints are going to feel better. You're going to have less risk of autoimmune disease and so many other conditions related with inflammation. So that's the pathway, and thanks for watching.